Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Redmi phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show guys Redmi phone guys tap vibration problem how to fix on Redmi mobile. Friends, if you tap on your phone button and guys your Redmi phone vibrate, and friends if you use your Redmi phone keyboard and your phone vibrates, so friends how to fix touch vibration problem, touch vibrate problem on Redmi mobile. In this video friends we will talk about one by one, step by step. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, you can see when I tap on my button on my Redmi phone vibrate. Same problem you have, you can fix easily. Open your phone setting. After on phone setting, friends, you can see this type interface on your Redmi mobile. Friends, click on Redmi mobile sound and vibration setting. After on sound and vibration, when scroll it, friends, you can see silent mode setting here. Silent mode we can on from here. Silent. Friends, you can see mid and silent mode you can on. Do not disturb. Friends, if you do not disturb, friends, your phone and notification will silence automatic. If you off, call and notification won't be silent. Friends, you can see vibrate for call setting, vibrate in silent mode, vibrate on tap. So friends, click here vibrate on tap and off your vibrate on tap setting, and friends now you can use your Redmi phone without vibrate. Friends, you can tap on your screen, you can tap on your button, your phone will not vibrate. And friends, if your keyboard vibrate again after off tap vibration problem, so friends you can check here guys your keyboard sound setting guys, keyboard sound setting, and you can off your keyboard sound on your Redmi phone device. Okay friends, so like that friends you can fix your tap vibration problem. But friends, after off tap vibration guys, automatic your keyboard vibration problem will also solve. Friends, you can see I can use keyboard without touch vibration. So like that friends we can fix touch vibration problem on Redmi mobile. And friends, you want to use, so again click here and your phone will vibrate if you tap on your phone button and if you use your keyboard. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video.